What's up, everybody? Welcome to Hammerdown Motorsports. My name is Steve Fast, and today we don't have any rain, which is awesome because that's all we've been having all summer, but it is super humid. I had to wait probably about 10-15 minutes before my camera would even clear up so I could actually film. There was fog all over the lens and all that kind of good stuff. But today we are taking this rim over here, over to Westy's shop, because this tire right here is actually aired up, believe it or not, but it is not actually on the outside bead. So what we're gonna do is use his tire machine to break this outside bead, put some nice tire lubrication in there, and be able to get that popped on. So when we drive down the road, we're not gonna be shaking all over the place and busting out wheel bearings and all that kind of good stuff. And also these lug nuts here are very lackluster. So Todd tells me he's got some new ones for me that are gonna give this truck a whole new look. So we're gonna have to see what he came up with. Well, we're all loaded up. Let's head over to Westy's. How's life in paradise?
Yeah, someone who lives there. I live in hell.
What's new in Toddy's world?
Filling up the old cooler, man. Get some cold ones in for the hot people.
You know it. So I hear you got something pretty sweet for the S10.
Yes, sir.
Let's have a look.
Check this out. Hope we don't poke an eye out, folks. Right here, my friend. This is what we got, Steve-O. Basically, this is going to be the neck.
Look at that.
This is going to be the base. Base! What we do, we screw that onto the stud, torque it, 120. Screw this guy on like that. This here, we put on. Make these things child-proof. There we go. Get rid of that. Screw this guy on.
Oh, look at that.
There she is, brother.
You think that's mud truck official?
It's gonna make it official now. That's what's up.
I think it's gonna make those wheels pop.
It's gonna make it go faster. Yeah, I think that's gonna be the solution, brother.
Yeah, definitely.
You know what I'm saying?
I think that looks pretty sweet.
I think it's gonna work.
You know it.
Yes, sir. What's the one, Westy?
Toddy.
Toddy. Toasted Toddy. What are you doing to me, man? Oh, bastard. Oh, that hurt.
Caught on tape.
You did, man, yeah. Good football suit.
Sick, Steve.
What do you think of those?
Gay.
You think it's mud truck speciality?
Well,
I mean, look at the wheels that are on it. I mean, honestly.
mud. Something.
But I did bring one of the mud truck wheels. I need to get the tire on the bead.
How do you suggest we do that with this?
The tire machine? Oh, we could try that. I don't know if that'll work too good. I'll show you what we got going on. We got an aired up tire that's not even seated, and that's how it was on the truck when I bought it. Yeah.
It's got air in it and it's not, the bead's not seated?
Yeah.
Wow.
Is that the one you brought to us?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
That's amazing.
Pretty incredible. I can't imagine how that thing would have driven.
I don't understand how.
Is it out here now, Steve?
Well, let's go check it out. I'll show you. You got to,
How do you get
gotta
the
really-
Hey, Toddy, don't you sell these things?
See, I sell that. You don't have to open that first. That's so inconvenient.
Does Toddy get 80?
Yeah. Look at that beauty right there.
Ooh, doggy.
See, that's got air in it, but look at that.
Good night.
Yeah, I wouldn't stick my fingers in there, but hey.
I say we light it up.
I guess if it's been driving around like that, it's probably not gonna pop on now.
Nice. Oh,
It's quite the mud tire though.
It's not scalloped in any way, shape, or form.
it
No.
should ride pretty smooth.
Oh, it's ready to go.
Are we gonna balance this too, or?
Oh yeah, just balance. See how it balances just like that.
Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna put this on my Hummer.
These are vintage. I'll trade you for your rims.
All right.
Let's roll it up alongside and see what it looks like. Try it on for size.
He's running. Oh, isn't that so cute?
Look at that. Now I just can't put these on and feel right about it.
No doubt, brother. Can you clean them up before I buy them?
Oh yeah, no worries.
Nice.
I'll get some window cleaner, we'll be good to go. So drop in the comments, you think Uncle Toddy should get a set of these wheels for the Hummer?
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. Let's go inside and see if we can self-destruct.
Look at that. That's just straight out of the 90s. If you had those in the 90s, you were something.
Oh yeah, and I had them.
Did you? Somehow that does not surprise me at all.
Dude, golly, yeah.
What were you rocking them on?
A lowrider Suzuki Sidekick, 4-wheel drive. So.
Nice.
Yeah, I had the balloon tires on it, man. 15s. What, these are what? 15s too?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Those are probably the same ones I was rocking.
They're probably the exact ones.
I think they are. Mikey, does this need balanced or anything?
It's good.
Does it look alright?
Got a new haircut, Mikey?
Sure does.
Pretty spectacular.
Yes, I was hoping to not pay for it, but I had to.
It's a pretty sweet shirt you got on there.
Yeah.
Wait for me, why do you have to pay for it?
Some guy signed it too on the back.
Yeah, look at this. Look at this signature. These shirts are so thin. This was like the prototype to see if I could actually sign this shirt. And as you can see, that's why I don't sign people's shirts, because it turns out pretty terrible. So let's let some air out of this thing and see.
What am I doing?
That was the first thing we noticed when we looked at this truck. We were like, wow, it's not good at all.
Well, it's not good, but it should be fun trying to seat it.
Well, we'll just pop this whole bead off, get some lube on it, and like just put it in, break this outer
I was gonna
bead.
get the cheater seater, man.
Nah, no, well, it's too dry. These tires are kind of dry rotted. I just didn't want to put a lot of pressure in them.
Right.
Just in case.
All right.
Are you feeling it?
I'm gonna try popping that bead.
I'm gonna go run for the hills.
Yeah, boy, I got this.
This is gonna go with like 5,000 pieces. I'm going over here. I'm hiding behind this minivan.
There's only 20 pounds of air in there, dude. It's going up. Mikey, stay here.
If anybody has ever seen a tire explode, you'll realize why I'm hiding. Don't do it, Toddy.
It's not even doing nothing, man.
Yeah, it won't.
All
It's been
right.
sitting there
I gotta
for a
do
while.
work. Come on back in. It's safe now.
Let's do this in the. Let's do this the safe way.
There's no such thing as a safe way around here. We live on the edge.
Mikey's hair is safe.
Check out the dynamics of this. The way it comes down completely symmetrical with his spine. It's just everything is so perfect about it, man.
Like laser straight.
Yeah, yeah. Just go sideways here, Mikey.
The profile.
Check out this profile there.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah. Oh yeah, check it out.
See the puff of dust come out of it.
That was Fix-A-Flat from what, 20 years ago?
Yeah. I used to always hate that. You open up a tire and it's full of Fix-A-Flat. And
stickiness everywhere.
oh yeah, and it wrecks the inside of the liner of the tire.
Yep.
So the tire's garbage after that. So just so you know, don't use Fix-A-Flat ever. It's total garbage.
Absolutely. And
Unless you're like life and death situation, but
yeah.
be sure you're gonna throw that tire away afterwards.
Absolutely.
That
For
stuff.
the guy that's changing the tire, he'll really greatly appreciate it in the end.
Absolutely.
Now, just a little bit of lube right here.
There you go.
Nice and slippery.
It's gonna polish the patina off there. Honestly, I don't think there's a better set of wheels to be on this mud truck though than these.
Bro, this is it. What's gonna make it those red spikes?
Oh, absolutely.
You know what?
That's gonna be the cherry on top.
Yes.
For this
yes.
absolute beauty.
But if you have a tendency of scratching them up, Steve, it's gonna upset me.
Well, I won't scratch them up any worse than they're already. Don't let fear and common sense stand in the way.
Heck no. Come on, baby, see it.
You can do it.
See the beam. Come on, baby.
What you got in there?
What the world? Not your uncle. You're gonna be my daddy too. You need your expertise.
Westy said we have to implement some personal space rules around the shop.
Whoa!
Oh!
Get back, Johnny.
You can do it. Oh, it's creeping.
16-inch tire and 16.5 rim.
Yeah. Wonder why the bead doesn't go on. I've got like 120 PSI in it. Come on. There we go.
That's how you do it.
How many PSI did that take?
Oh, we have a total.
I'd say 40.
Yep, exactly 40.
Wow, dude, I know my
That's not bad.
PSI. Pretty much.
Westy is a master of PSI. He has a PhD in PSI. So now that we got the tire on the bead like it should have been in the beginning, we can actually take one of the spikes and mock it up, see how it's gonna look. What do you think?
I'm loving the idea.
So those of you who are doubting, here is the mock-up of the spikes on the old school American racing wheels. Toddy's got some centers, we're gonna try them out. Too big. We're gonna have this thing all dressed up and ready to roll.
Too small.
You got nothing?
Yeah, I'll take it.
But I think these spikes were exactly what these wheels needed.
All right, brother.
But look at that. We got some brand new chrome centers.
Yes.
We are good to go. Here we go. We got our center cap, our spikes mocked up. It's gonna make this truck look a whole lot nicer. So we got Todd here, first official sponsor of the mud truck. Check them out, TSE's Auto Accessories, Ephrata, Pennsylvania. So when in search of flavor country, Pennsylvania Dutch. Official birch beer. Better. Official birch beer of Hammerdown Motorsports. All right, we got our new stuff. We've got the tire all good to go. We're ready to install the mud tires once again. You think the truck's ready for mud tires again, Mikey? I would say. So we're fast forwarding to Tuesday, it is today, and the rest of this video is filmed on Friday, so I do apologize for the gap, but we do have some very exciting news. This weather has absolutely destroyed basically my schedule as far as putting out videos. I haven't been able to go to the track, they're always closed because of rain and all that kind of stuff, so I'm trying to piece this all together and get enough content for you guys, so I do apologize for the little bit of a lapse in content, but like I said, we do have a huge announcement. Behind me, where the RV is sitting, and this whole area back here is going to become the Hammerdown Motorsports garage. We are building a 40 by 80 foot shop back here. It's going to be absolutely epic. I can't wait to actually have room to get all my stuff that sits outside inside, and then we can take things apart and actually have them apart for a little while and not have to worry about, you know, rain and all kinds of other stuff and contamination. And I don't like working on things outside necessarily unless I can put them back together the same day. So the new shop is going to give us so many more possibilities. Plus also the audio. If you are in certain areas of my yard, it gets killed by dogs and goats and all kinds of crazy things. So we can be nice tucked away in this corner of the yard. If there is problems with animals and things like that, we can close the door and be able to do all the fun things that I've been wanting to do for some time. And it's gonna be absolutely amazing. So I can't wait to share it with all you guys out there. So now that there is a very quick break in the rain, we're gonna run the S10 up to the house and we're gonna put the mud tires back on once again. And we're gonna use the powers of YouTube to make this very quick and painless for you guys. But I didn't wanna end this video without showing you what it looks like with the spikes and the center caps and the mud tires back on this truck. So let's get it done. So before anything else breaks on this truck, let's get the mud tires back on right now. So 2 rainstorms later, we got the wheels and tires back on the S10, and I think that the spikes actually really set off these wheels. Drop in the comments, tell me what you think of them, but I think they look absolutely amazing on this old truck, and I can't wait to start doing some more fun stuff to this truck and actually get out and play with it a little bit. But we're gonna have to address the 4-wheel drive not working. Obviously, that's not gonna go too far with a 1-wheel drive, so we'll be getting that addressed very soon. Also, we will be having a lot more Camaro content very soon. It's just we can't race in the rain, and that just seems like all the weather we've been having lately. So if if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Keep that hammer down.